Hey, if I'm on your FYP, congratulations. I'm your new tia. I'm fixing to show you how to make some arroz con pollo. These are my credentials. So hit that follow button and come on, let's go. For this recipe, I'm using 10 drumsticks. You can adjust it if you need to. I'm just gonna get my drumsticks and clean them up. I'm gonna take off all that extra skin. If you wanna wash your chicken, go ahead and wash it. I wash my chicken, but you don't have to. A lot of people ask me, Thea, why do you wash your chicken? It's because a lot of times the butcher leaves leftover bone fragments. I don't wanna chew bone fragments, so I wash my chicken, but you don't have to. To our chicken, we're gonna add in about a teaspoon of seasonal. I'm using Morton seasonal, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a little bit of ground comino or ground cumin, about 2 teaspoons, and then just a little bit of dried oregano. That was about a teaspoon and a half. Then you just wanna toss this around. Once everything is evenly coated, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes while we heat up our pan. Grab this old hag and start heating it up. While that's getting hot, you wanna add in just a little bit of oil. I'm using vegetable oil that I had left over from the other day. About 4 to 5 tablespoons. Once your oil is hot, start adding in your chicken. We just wanna sear the outside. We're not trying to cook it all the way through. While that's searing, I'm gonna go wash my bowl. My bowl is clean. After that's seared on one side, give it a flip. Once your chicken is seared on all sides, go ahead and start adding it to your bowl. If there's pieces that look charred, that's okay. It's flavor. It is seriously just the seasonings that got a little extra toasty at the bottom of your pan. It's all right. Throw it in your bowl. It's still gonna taste good. I actually prefer those pieces charred like that. That is really good. Then you just want to set this to the side. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil in my pan. In total, I want about 3 tablespoons of oil in there. That's not quite enough what I have in there right now. I'm going to turn my heat down as well. I'm going to put it on medium. Then I'm going to add in 1 cup of uncooked jasmine rice. If you want to cook your rice before you fry it up, be my guest. I'm not going to. And then just mix that up and make sure that it gets evenly coated in that oil. While that's starting to fry, I'm gonna go ahead and dice up half of a white onion. You can use a yellow onion, you can use a purple onion, whatever you like, I don't care. Half of an onion. Once your rice has started toasting and you can start noticing just a small change in color, add in your onion. Mix this around and let that fry up together. And then just continue toasting your rice like you normally would. While that's toasting, I think it's time for another Thea check-in. How are you guys doing? I want to know. How's your day been? How's that girl? How's that boy? Tell me everything. It's chisme time. Are they behaving themselves? Are you behaving yourselves? Okay. Just checking. Did you call your mom? All right. Call her. And when you talk to her, the first thing you want to say, Mom, Thea Amber said you smell. Tell her just like that. Once your onion has turned translucent like this, we're going to go ahead and add our water. I'm going to slowly pour in 2.5 cups of water. Slow. Then I'm going to add in 1 can of tomato sauce. For my spices, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon of onion powder, about a teaspoon of ground comino, just a little bit of chili powder, about half a teaspoon, and then I'm going to put in a little bit of oregano, about a teaspoon. Everything's about, and then just give that a little mix until everything's well incorporated. I'm going to let my rice simmer for just a little bit, and I'm going to chop up half a bunch of cilantro, and then I'm just going to throw that in there. Give that just a quick mix. Turn your heat down to medium low. And then start adding in your chicken. I almost forgot about my jalapeno. I'm gonna take the stem off and cut 1 jalapeno in half. Then you just wanna stick this anywhere inside of your pan. Right on top. You can submerge it if you want to, I'm not going to. If you want it less spicy, try not to disturb the seeds. If you want it more spicy, take the seeds out and sprinkle them all over. Then just cover this and let it cook on medium for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn your heat down to low and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Do not remove the lid. Don't do it. I don't care. For whatever reason, don't take the lid off. No. Déjalo ahí. No. After 15 minutes, take it off the heat and allow your rice to set for 5 minutes. Don't take the lid off. Don't do it. After 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Look at that, you guys. That rice is cooked perfectly. Let's go make some plates. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm excited. That rice is perfect. If y'all try this, let me know. I'm gonna go eat.